Hi guys, it's Anand from PPC Ad Editor. Have you ever wished for a feature that lets you directly import your Facebook ad campaigns and manage them all in one place? A place where you can edit your ads without the hassle of scrolling through countless campaigns? Well, it's here. Introducing our new Facebook download sync feature. This feature allows you to import your Facebook ad campaigns directly from your Facebook ad account into PPC Ad Editor. You can easily make changes to your ads and preview how they'll look in their final form. So, yeah, let's dive in and see how it works. For that, go to ad types. Select the ad channel as Facebook. Select the ad format. Choose the format you want. For this demo, I'll just go with the single image/video. Download from Facebook ads. Click continue to link your ads account. You'll need to log into your Facebook account, basically your Facebook ad account. Since my ads account has been connected a couple of times, so it recognizes me and asks to reconnect. I'll just click reconnect. Yeah, once you're connected, so it will list the ad accounts linked to your account. So choose the ad account, and a pop-up will list all the ad campaigns from the selected ads count. Select the campaign and ad set. You can download all the ads from the ad set by selected download all ads from below ad set selection, or just manually choose the ads you want to download. Then click download. Once your ad is starts downloading, you can see it in the background process. Yeah, once it's downloaded, you can simply just click the preview to open and see the ads. Yeah, to edit this downloaded ad, you'll just have to click on the ad, and it will bring up all the data fields you want to change. You can also add images or videos. Basically, you can add videos to the videos by just simply pasting the videos URL in the URL field. And you can also add images from your own desktop, which have been downloaded or yeah. So you can also enhance your ads description and headlines using AI. And for that, you'll have to click edit using Accelerator AI. Once it's open, and let's add a company name and description to generate headlines and descriptions for ad. Basically, this description is going to help the AI model to generate headlines and descriptions for your ad, and you'll have to basically describe the product details in the description field. So yeah, this is how the ad model is going to use your description to generate headlines for your ad. So once you're done, then click generate, and it will come up with the different variations, and select the variation that suits your needs and click update data. And if you're just done editing the ad, then click save. So as you can now see the final version of the ads, how it's going to be looking when it's uploaded on the Facebook. Yeah, and once you're done editing, you can also share the preview through the share link with your clients or team using the share link. using the share preview link. And you can save your changes by simply exporting your ads preview and import them back to your ads account. And you won't have to fill in everything on your own. It will automatically add the data included in the import file, unless and until you want to edit something manually. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Try this tool to make your ads management easier and save time. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.